Obasanjo, the former president of Nigeria, don't review how he used Ndi Igbo to fight Ndi Igbo during the war. And this has become the big weapon that Nigerians government are using to hold Ndi Igbo down. Because when Igbo say want to talk, they will create group of people inside Igbo to use them against the Igbos, and this has become a very big problem in Igbo communities. No be smart, you know, as we dey talk now, no be only me go hear this one. Una need to hear am. May you know that the issue of saboteurs did not start today. It's something that has been there for a very long time. It's something that has been there in very long time, and that is why what we are fighting for is very, very hard for us, because our own people are the same people that will go there to sabotage it. But you see, this time around, they will not succeed. Just watch the video and hear what Obasanjo talk. Don't forget to stay there for Blabajis and share this video.
I don't believe that anybody in this country should be driven away from any part of this country, because this country we own it together. When I was fighting for the war of unity in this country, I used Igbos, Hausa, Yoruba, even though we were fighting against Igbos, not that you should go, but that you should come. And I used Igbo to fight Igbos to come. So if anybody says to me that then somebody should leave any place, now the one way say somebody should leave, now he go leave. Me, I married from Owerri. So, so what are you going to say? The Peking way will woman born for me, so it no be my own again. So where will you ask him to go? Huh? When I was campaigning, he was there. Small time now they say I no like Igbo. I say, me?
We give him all our votes.
I say I no like Igbo. So I said, how do I deal with this? And the thing was gaining ground. So I said, okay, we go to Owerri. After the campaign, I said I want to meet leaders of thought, Christian clergy, traditional rulers, dignitaries, private sector. I took my son, and my son speaks Igbo with Owerri dialect. So, but he normally doesn't speak. And when I say, why you not speak, so that when they are abusing you, I will hear. So I took him along. After the campaign, we went into a room like this. And I said, look, this rumor, how did it start? And look, I fought the war as humanely as possible. My best friend in the army are Igbos. Chukwuma Nzogu, Mikey Benso. What is all this? The first family that took care of me when I returned in 1959 was Hilary Njoku in your own place. What is all this? Not only do I like Igbo, I love Igbo. Let me wait now. I say, let me show you the evidence. Then B broke into Igbo. So he spoke. I mean, I know get here for the language. So he spoke. One of the traditional rulers, he came to me. He said, Mr. President, please forgive me. Betty, you are a rascal. said, if you say so. Now, but on a serious note, that's what we called you for. I want to learn from you. There may be things that you want us to do that we are not doing, or you want us to delay or hasten. We can give you all the things now. We have parking space, we have locked off, we have
clinic,
we have warehouse, where women we put their children, crèche you call it. We have warehouse, we have garage, we have it all. We have hotel, both high level and low level. Well, I won't call it low level, I would say coastal. So if there's anything you want to say to me, oh yeah. You see, out there, my experience is that there's goodwill out there. That's number one. Number two, the money to develop Africa is out there. It's there. The problem is how to get it in. And when we get it in, the problem is how to make it stay in. We will examine, I'm not making promise, but we will examine a number of possibilities, if I can put it that way. What the international community and people out there want is to see that we are sincere, that we can perform, that when we say we are doing this, we are doing it. If Nigeria with number 5 or number 6, all exporting country in the world, I could go out and look for debt relief and I could get it. I believe that you can get it. But let Nigeria try that today to get debt relief. The world out there, they are not fruitful. They will just laugh at us. The one we give you before we do it. But this is something, and I believe if we pursue it the right way, they can get it. They will want to see our bona fide integrity, honesty, and so I take note of that. Thank you very much for that. What I want to say to you is that we want to build a Owerri Central Market. It is something that has been contemplated since the creation of Imo State. And for one reason or the other, it has not been implemented. So this young man then decided to spearhead it. And he was looking for an accomplice. So he came to me. And I've known him in politics. He's a man that if I have had my way when I was leaving government, and I could say, look, yes, a southerner has been there for 8 years. Here is somebody, again, a southerner could be there. I didn't believe that. I believe that after 8 years of a southerner, he should go to the north and come again. But if I had had that, he is one man that was told. Now, he has decided that we should join hand and build Owerri Central Market and make it the best of its kind in the country for now. Maybe another 30 years, another one will come that will beat it. But the one we want to beat now, no one will beat it. That's number one. Number two, we needed the understanding and the support of the governor. And the present governor of Imo State is fully with us. The land that has been encroached upon, he has given us the backing, and we are already fencing the entire land. That's number two. Part of number two, we are also building a very good gate, so that anybody who sees the gate, he will know that, oh, this is the symbol of Owerri Central Market. If you want to put international there, all right, but all I know is that Owerri Central Market, people will come from all over Nigeria and outside Nigeria to buy and sell there. And that's my number two, Abi.
Number two.
Okay. My number three is that I've taken it upon myself to be a seller. Or a marketer, or a salesman, or if you like, a trader. I want to sell it to the banks, those who will finance it initially. And I want to sell it to you, those of you who will make it. That's my job. My job is seller in between. I will sell to the bank that will bring money for us to start building. And then I will sell it to you, who will make use of it and become, those of you who are rich will be richer. Those of you who are not rich yet will be rich. Amen. That's my job. Any other job you want?
So your presence is the biggest job.
Yes.
Yes. So we are already working on the fence and the gate. We have decided, I think last night, that on the 20th and 21st of September, yes, I think it will be mainly 21st, really. We will go, and those of you who can come, one thing we will do, we will commission the fence and the gate, and we will start building the stores and the road and the infrastructure. What we want to do is give ourselves maximum 2 years when you will be able to. So this is what he has called you for. Once again, I'm sorry that I keep you.
My people, Shabuna, don't hear them. And I believe the what would they talk say, you see this life what would they inside? Igbos. We have this, we have that. But if we not use our conduct and stop selling that, we cannot protect what we have. It's this thing now where this man they talk. Remember, say he gave somebody what did they call his name for inside that Biafra war where sell out big. Not those ones now they use take fight us. And in this our own generation, people like Ijele them, there was other woman, there are many of them out there now that are speaking against their own people. Not even, they're not even speaking about against the Igbo. So the thing is funny, but however, we need to learn in a hard way so that we go fit protect our own. Now so it be for my own mouth.